Nexo's available Remote Smart Parking Assist, or RSPA, is a great feature that helps drivers park their vehicle, even in the most narrow of parking spaces. It uses sensors to measure a parking space and to provide input on direction, steering, and speed. RSPA can then semi-automatically park the vehicle with additional instructions provided to the driver on the navigation screen. There are 4 different RSPA modes. The first 2 are Smart Parking, in which you remain in your vehicle, and Remote Parking, where you step outside. They can be used for either parallel or perpendicular parking. For those 2 modes to function, RSPA must see vehicles on both sides of the parking space. Press the Remote Smart Parking Assist button on the center console. It will illuminate, as will the parking distance warning button above. Driving instructions appear on the navigation screen. Follow those instructions, moving no faster than 12 miles per hour and remaining within 20 inches of the other parked vehicles. When the system detects the parking space, a chime will sound, and a message will appear on screen identifying the type of space. Stop the vehicle. Then either touch the screen or use the DIS controller to select that type of parking space. Now is the time to choose between Remote Parking and Smart Parking. Let's use Smart Parking. With the vehicle stopped, remove your hands from the wheel and press and hold the RSPA button. RSPA then takes charge of steering, gear selection, and speed. You can still use the brake at any time. Continue following the instructions on the navigation screen to complete parking. When Smart Parking is complete, you'll hear the Parking Completed chime. The transmission will be in park, the parking brake engaged, and ignition off. A message will appear on the navigation screen. You can now release the RSPA button. You can pause Smart Parking at any point by letting go of the Remote Smart Parking Assist button, pressing the brake pedal, unfastening your seatbelt, or opening the driver's door. Smart Parking will cancel if you press Cancel on the navigation screen, press the parking distance warning button, turn the steering wheel, or change gears. If you'd prefer to leave the vehicle before it is parked, you can select Remote Parking. Once a parking space is found, place the vehicle in park, exit, and close all the doors. Be sure to take your smart key with you. You'll hear a beeping noise to tell you that the vehicle is in remote parking mode. Stand within 13 feet and press the forward or back button on the smart key to move the vehicle into the space. Steering, direction, and speed are controlled automatically. When done, you'll hear the Parking Completed chime. The transmission will be in park, the parking brake engaged, and ignition off. Make sure the vehicle is locked and sunroof is closed before leaving. RSPA can also perform a smart exit. The vehicle automatically leaves a parallel parking space with the driver inside. Start the engine, put the vehicle in park, and press the Remote Smart Parking Assist button. On the navigation screen, you'll see that RSPA is examining the space around the vehicle. When done, it will ask you to select the direction you wish to leave the parking space in. Either touch the screen or use the DIS controller to make your choice. Remove your hands from the wheel and press and hold the RSPA button. RSPA will then take charge of steering, gear selection, and speed. You can still use the brake at any time. When RSPA is ready for you to take over, you'll hear a chime and see a message on screen. If you don't press the accelerator or brake within 4 seconds, the vehicle will go into park and engage the parking brake. To press the brake, turn the wheel in the direction you wish to go. Check road conditions, and then leave the parking space manually. You can pause Smart Exit at any time by letting go of the Remote Smart Parking Assist button, pressing the brake pedal, unfastening your seatbelt, or opening the driver's door. Smart Exit will cancel if you press Cancel on the navigation screen. Press the Parking Distance Warning button, turn the steering wheel, or change gears. RSPA can also perform a function called Remote Moving Forward and Backward. You stand outside the vehicle and move it out of a tight parking space, but you must be within 13 feet of your vehicle. Press Lock on your smart key. Press the Remote Start button. Then hold either the Move Forward or Backward button to have your vehicle exit the space. The vehicle will travel up to 23 feet while holding the button. Pressing and holding it a second time will allow the vehicle to travel up to another 23 feet. Remote moving forward and backward will stop if it detects an object in the way. To cancel remote moving forward and backward, press the remote start button on the smart key. The vehicle will go into park, engage the parking brake, and switch off. Or you can enter the vehicle with the smart key and depress the brake or close all the doors. Then the ignition will stay on. Smart parking, remote parking, smart exit, and remote moving forward and backward all function only under very specific conditions. Please see your owner's manual to review them.